Hey, let's look at adding content to the web page we've created. Here we are on take 197 of this video. Let's see if this one works. We're in view mode, and to add content I'm going to click on the edit icon, the pencil, get into edit mode, and what I'd like to do here before I start doing anything is look at the layout of my page. Now right now the page has this header for the title. We can pretty much leave that alone. And here we have one great big body section of the page. Going to layout, I can decide how many columns I would like the page to be broken into. You can see I have lots of choices. I'm just going to use the 2-column simple just to give you two different places to put content. And while we're here, we're also going to be playing with the insert option. Insert gives us many choices, but today we're going to look at the image and maybe a couple others. When clicking the insert image option, I'm asked where the image is. I can use a web address that I have from the internet, or I can upload an image from my computer. So let's do that. I'm going to choose file, and I have a folder created here somewhere for virtual learning. There we go. And there's a picture in here somewhere that I can upload. This may not be appropriate to what we're teaching, but here's a JPEG, and we'll open that up. It pops in here as an icon, and I can say yes, that's the picture I want, and son of a gun if it isn't a boat. While the picture's here, if I click on it, you'll see the menu falls down. I can center the picture, I can right justify it. Notice it's in the column. I'll center it in the column, and I can play with the different sizes of the picture: small, medium, and large. And let's go to small because I have other things to add here today. I could also delete the picture by clicking on X. So that's there. Let's look also if I wanted to add a video. So I'm going to click insert, and you'll notice the video option is here. I have 3 different choices. Google Video is if you had uploaded to the Google video section of MS-8060, and we're not going to do that today. Stay tuned for that in another video. YouTube and Google Docs video are 2 options that seem to be the easiest to use. Let's start with the Google Docs video. That means if I have a video that's already been uploaded into Google Docs, I can click and go find that video. I know that I have one in here. If I go into Google Docs, I can see that this Someday 2 was just uploaded today. I'm going to select it, and that video now is going to be inserted onto my page. I can look at the different kind of formatting. I do want to include a title. I'm going to call it something, and we'll put a border around and save. And now we can see the video is there. It doesn't show though until such time as we click save. So let's click save, and we'll see that the video should embed right on the web page. I'm not sure if it'll play right away. We'll see how long it takes to embed in, but here we go. We can see that. And there's a video. It'd be nice to stay here and keep sailing, but let's move on. Let's go back into edit mode. I mentioned we're looking at inserting YouTube videos as well. So insert a video in YouTube. Now when I click on YouTube, it's asking me to put in a URL from my YouTube video. So let's cancel out of here for now, and let's go to YouTube. I believe I have one set up on my other browser. I can just find my other browser. There we go. And here is the world famous Central Nervous System sample lecture. It's in YouTube. I found this previously. I already uploaded it, so I can just simply grab the URL, copy it by Command C. Let's go back to my web page, and we're going to go back to insert our video, YouTube, and simply paste the URL in there. I can play with titles and hit save, and that video is now also embedded on my page. And you can see that if I click save, it'll play just